a lot of wavers brush their hair like wrong. You know what I mean? A lot of wavers brush their swirl wrong. I've been seeing you guys brush your hair, and even me, I've been, showing you guys how to brush your hair, but, I look back on my old videos and I'm like, you know what? I'm actually teaching you guys, wrong. So
HustleDreamProduction.
I'm here to correct some of you guys that be brushing your swirl or your hair in general in the wrong direction. Basically, when it comes to your swirl, you're supposed to swirl your crown and your crown only. Right? So let's say if you're trying to get a massive swirl like me, well then you want to brush in a clockwise position. You know what I mean? You want to make sure you go all the way around on your swirl, right? But notice how I'm just using this portion of my brush. I'm not using this whole brush, right? Some of you guys like to take this whole brush and drag it all the way, like, you're dragging all your hair, and it messes up your hair. That way when you look into it like this, it looks messed up, right? So some of you guys are doing it wrong, and you need to focus on brushing everything in a 360 pattern, right? Down here is all 360, right? The top forward. But when it comes to the crown area, you're just brushing the crown in a swirl clockwise position. That's it. That's all you want to swirl, is that crown area. Not the whole thing, all right? Not the whole thing, because what you guys are doing is just messing your waves up. So that's what I've learned also, just with paying attention to how I brush, is that I've been just dragging my whole hair, when really I should just be swirling my crown. Now to get a loose, not necessarily loose, but to get not so many waves going into your crown, you want to brush away from your crown, right? So you're just kind of brushing everything away from your crown in a slight swirl, because when you brush like that, it gives off a slighter swirl rather than a harsh swirl like I have. And even when you guys do have a harsh swirl like me, it's just great to open up your swirl by doing that. You know what I mean? By just brushing like this in this direction, it just loosens up your swirl. You guys want to keep away from dragging your whole hair, you know what I mean, and trying to swirl your whole head. That's not what you're trying to do. You're still trying to keep the 360 wave pattern, but just swirl your crown. That way, when you look into it like this, I know I need a haircut. I know I need a haircut, all right? But when you look into it like this, notice how, you know, laid my hair looks, rather than if I dragged it over. You see the difference? You want to brush to your temple. And that's basically it, man. I just came on here because I recently was on the wave pages and I seen a couple guys doing it wrong, so just came here to correct what I used to tell you guys to do in the past. But basically, this is how you brush your swirl. This is the proper way how you brush your swirl. Just brush your swirl. You know, your swirl is a side by itself, and everything else, 360. But that's all the tips I have for you guys today. All right, if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. I know I need a haircut. You guys, I'm woofing. I've been woofing for a minute, for like 4 weeks. Really ain't been that long, but been woofing for 4 weeks. I'm going on a woof journey. I'm trying to hold out by not getting a haircut. You know what I mean? Just trying to let everything just go crazy for a minute. You know what I mean? So if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, man, make sure you hit that subscribe button. More videos to come. It's your boy 360 Jeezy, and I'm out of here. I'm gonna keep brushing though. Definitely, this doesn't stop. Just because I end this video doesn't mean I stop brushing. All right, you guys continue on brushing. Matter of fact, play this video back and then, you know, start brushing again. Okay, because some of y'all need to be putting in more work. All right, it's your boy 360 Jeezy, and I'm out of here.